What's up everyone, Scarlett here. Today I'm gonna quickly show you how to get this alternator off on this 2013 Honda Accord with a 2.4 engine. Alright, so we got the alternator bolt up here, and then we got an alternator bolt on the bottom side. But in order to get to the bottom bolt to the alternator, you got to get the tensioner out of the way. But in order to get to that bolt, sorry, it's a little blurry, you got to get this bolt out in order to get to the back bolt for the alternator. But you're gonna have to jack up the engine a little bit. You're gonna have to loosen these up a little bit on the motor mount, and then you got to take this bolt off right here. These are a size, what is that, size 17. You're gonna need an extension and a ratchet. So loosen these two, and then you're gonna jack up the engine with a jack right under the oil pan. Excuse me, my voice is a little rough, weak today, should I say. Alright, so once you get that out of the way, you're able to get to the bolt right here, and it is an Allen style bolt, and it's a size 8. You're gonna need a little extension and a ratchet. So once you get that off, goes right in here, and you can sneak it out from under here and it'll come right out, and then you're able to access that bottom bolt to the alternator, and then you just put everything all in reverse order. But obviously make sure when you go to do the alternator, disconnect your battery and then take all the little wires that are going to be in the way. But that's all. Hopefully this video helped. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little notification button for the next video. Bye.